Hi, explorers! Welcome back to Kids Around the USA. Today we're traveling to the exciting state of Nevada. Get ready for giant dams, crystal clear lakes, colorful deserts, mountains, amazing animals, and one of the brightest cities in the world. But today, we also have a mystery challenge. Hidden letters will appear throughout the video. Write them down and see if you can solve the secret word at the end. Let's begin. Nevada is a state in the western United States bordering California, Oregon, Idaho, Utah, and Arizona. Most of Nevada is covered by desert landscapes. Nevada is famous for mountains, canyons, lakes, and Las Vegas. Did you spot the first mystery clue, explorers? The letter L has just appeared. Write it down before it disappears. You'll need it later to solve Nevada's secret word challenge. Now let's learn a little more about Nevada and the people who live there. Around 3.2 million people call Nevada home. Most people live in big cities like Las Vegas and Reno, while much of the state is covered by wide-open deserts, mountains, and beautiful natural landscapes. That means you can drive for miles and still see huge stretches of open land all around you. Great job, explorers! Did you catch the next mystery clue? The letter I has just appeared on the screen. Quick, write it down before it disappears. You're one step closer to solving Nevada's secret word. Now let's take a look at Nevada's state flag. Nevada's flag has a bright blue background with a silver star in the corner. Above the star are the words, "Battle Born," which remind people that Nevada became a state during the American Civil War. Around the star are beautiful sagebrush flowers, the state flower of Nevada. The silver star also celebrates Nevada's rich history of silver mining, which helped the state grow many years ago. Keep collecting the mystery letters. Carson City is the capital city of Nevada. Even though it is much smaller than Las Vegas, it plays a very important role in the state. This is where many government leaders work and make decisions that help run Nevada. Carson City is also surrounded by beautiful mountains and is located close to the crystal clear waters of Lake Tahoe, making it a great place to enjoy both history and nature. Explorers, did you spot the next mystery clue? The letter G has just appeared on the screen. Now, explorers, it's time for our biggest Nevada adventure yet. Get ready to discover giant canyons, incredible dams, crystal clear lakes, bright city lights, and some of the most amazing places in the entire state. Let's start with two of the most famous sites near Nevada, the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. The Grand Canyon is one of the biggest natural wonders on Earth. Huge, colorful cliffs stretch for miles, and the Colorado River flows far below. Nearby is the incredible Hoover Dam, a giant wall built across the Colorado River. It helps provide water and electricity to millions of people and created the huge Lake Mead behind it. Wow! Look at the size of that dam! Next, let's visit one of the most magical places in the American Southwest, Antelope Canyon. This incredible canyon was carved by water over thousands of years, creating smooth, twisting rock walls that look like flowing waves. When sunlight shines into the canyon, the rocks glow with beautiful shades of orange, red, and gold. Just a short distance away is Horseshoe Bend. Here, the Colorado River makes a giant horseshoe-shaped curve around the rocks. From above, it looks like a giant blue ribbon winding through the desert. Wow! Can you imagine standing at the edge and looking down at that amazing view? Lake Tahoe is famous for its crystal clear water, which is so clean that you can often see deep below the surface. Surrounded by mountains and forests, it's a perfect place for swimming, kayaking, boating, and exploring nature. In summer, people enjoy the beaches and sparkling blue water, while in winter, the snowy mountains become a playground for skiing and snowboarding. Wow! Look at that water! It almost looks like a giant blue gemstone. Can you see all the way to the bottom? The water is amazingly clear. Now it's time to visit Nevada's most famous city, Las Vegas. Las Vegas is known around the world for its bright lights, giant hotels, and incredible attractions. One of the most famous sights is the Bellagio fountains. Water shoots high into the air and dances to music, creating a magical show that looks like a giant water ballet. Nearby, you can even see a smaller version of the Eiffel Tower from Paris. For an amazing view of the city, take a ride on the high roller. This giant observation wheel is one of the tallest in the world and lifts visitors high above the Las Vegas Strip. Animal lovers will enjoy Mandalay Bay's Shark Reef Aquarium. Here you can walk through underwater tunnels surrounded by sharks, rays, sea turtles, and colorful tropical fish. And when the sun goes down, Fremont Street comes alive with bright lights, music, and street performers. Look up and you'll see the famous Viva Vision canopy stretching across the street. Wow! It's like watching a giant movie screen in the sky. Las Vegas is full of exciting sights, amazing shows, and unforgettable adventures. From dancing fountains and giant wheels to sharks and dazzling lights, Las Vegas is one of the most exciting cities in the world. Explorers, did you spot the next mystery clue? The letter H has just appeared. Quick, write it down before it disappears. Now, explorers, it's time for some amazing Nevada fun facts. Did you know Nevada is home to some of the oldest living things on Earth? The Great Basin bristlecone. Pine trees can live for more than 4,000 to 5,000 years. That means some of these trees were already growing long before castles, cars, or even the invention of paper. Nevada is also incredibly mountainous, with more than 300 named mountains across the state. And here's a surprising one. The desert kangaroo rat can survive its entire life without drinking a single drop of water. It gets all the moisture it needs from seeds and plants. Wow! Nature is amazing! Oh, and don't forget the final mystery clue. The letter T has just appeared. Write it down quickly and keep it safe. You'll need all the letters to solve Nevada's secret word challenge. Explorers, did you collect all the mystery letters? Let's put them together and see what secret word they spell. Letter L, letter I, letter G, letter H, letter T. That spells light. Nevada is famous for its incredible lights, especially in Las Vegas. One of the brightest places is Fremont Street, where the giant Viva Vision canopy stretches above the street like a glowing sky. It uses more than 49 million LED lights to create colorful shows above everyone's heads. Wow! Imagine standing underneath all those lights. Today we traveled across the amazing state of Nevada. We discovered where Nevada is on the map, learned about its flag and capital city, explored the giant Hoover Dam, the breathtaking Grand Canyon, the twisting rocks of Antelope Canyon, and the crystal-clear waters of Lake Tahoe. We also visited the bright lights of Las Vegas, saw dancing fountains, giant observation wheels, sharks, and one of the biggest light shows in the world. Plus, you solved our mystery word challenge like a true explorer. Would you like to visit Nevada one day? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures around the USA and around the world. See you on our next journey, explorers! Bye!